I was going to deliver today, but it probably won't happen.
Daryl Nowley is a trucker from Calderville, and his delivery to Austin, Texas is now going to be behind after he was stuck in traffic on I-55 Tuesday morning.
He got slowed by the water. I guess as the water was high, cars were bagging up, turning around. I thought that was it.
Traffic in both directions was at a standstill for hours on I-55 between Crump and Macklemore due to flooding. TDOT Community Relations Officer Nicole Lawrence says construction in the area is partly to blame.
The rain comes down so hard and so fast that, our drain systems can't keep up.
She says the concrete barrier rails set up for the construction have spaces under them to allow water to flow. However, Lawrence says those spaces were overwhelmed by the rainfall. TDOT crews rushed to clear the road.
Once we saw that was flowing, we started looking at different areas throughout the construction zone to see where it was ponding the most. And that's where they decided that they would make some adjustments with the concrete barrier rail.
Lawrence says TDOT officials will be meeting over the next couple of weeks to see where they can make changes or move barriers to prevent delays from happening again.
Whether there was concrete barrier rail there or not, it could have very well been backed up because of the amount of rain that we got in such a short period of time.
Reporting from South Memphis, Kwamitra Wilborn, WREG News Channel 3.
Well, by the way, construction on that section of I-55 is expected to be completed in 2025.
Flash flooding has been a real problem all across the Mid-South, and that water was still standing in parts of West Memphis this afternoon. Now, this was at 7th and Broadway. Take a look. You can see the water reach nearly the top of the tires of some vehicles. Because of the flooding, the West Memphis School District closed today. The water seemed to rise so quickly that it made its way inside of at least one apartment in West Memphis. This video shows standing water all the way up to the baseboards throughout one woman's home. This is at the Riverbend Apartments. Other parts of